entrepreneur, freelancer, or small business owner, you're in for a treat. I'm going to show you the 5 best themes on WordPress that will help you create any website or blog that you can dream of without having to hire a developer or spending tons of cash. Now here's the thing, we all want to build an effective, high-performing site, but it gets confusing. There are millions of themes out there, along with a ton of must-have features and add-ons and conflicting best practices. On top of that, a lot of website platforms are nearly impossible to navigate and maintain technologically. It's overwhelming, confusing, and downright debilitating for many entrepreneurs, freelancers, or small business owners trying to create a site that works. That's where I come in. I've made the mistakes. I've done my homework and I've learned how to create beautiful, high-converting, money-making websites and blogs. And now I'm going to walk you through the 5 best themes on WordPress so you can do the same thing and finally start working on a site that's perfectly created to get you new customers and make you money. And the last tip I'll share with you near the end is the most powerful of them all. So keep watching. Let's dive in. Number 5, generate press. Now, before we really dive in, one thing to keep in mind is that not all WordPress themes are created equal. Ultimately, you need the theme that you choose to tick certain boxes and have certain functions that are really have-to-haves if you want your website to be a success. Now, this includes things like quick loading, ultra-responsive pages, which require a lightweight theme, lots of room to customize and make it your own, a really mobile responsive design, and a theme that offers great developer support. Now, believe me, you'll need the help eventually. You get the picture. Luckily, I've done all the legwork for you, and all the themes that I've chosen here check every important box on your list. So let's get started with Generate Press. Now, in particular, it is a fast-loading, multi-purpose free theme that works great no matter what kind of site you're building, e-commerce, B2B, blog, you name it. Now, it works best for performance-focused users who want total customization and control capabilities. Now, who doesn't want those things? And it is actually a favorite of website professionals who are building sites for their clients. And this is a really good thing. And when I say total customization, I mean it. These are all examples of Generate Press sites. Now, they all have pretty much nothing in common, not the backgrounds, the layouts, the fonts, nothing. The point is that the sky really is the limit with Generate Press. Now, here's what else makes it so great. Now, on the technical side, it has optimized performance, clean code, and lightning fast load times. This may not seem super important to you right now, but believe me, it's very important. If you have a slow website, people will bounce, and Google does not see that as favorable. Next, it has a ton of customization options in the real-time WordPress customizer, which means you can make a lot of changes and see how they look right away. No designer needed and no lag time in your decision making. And it allows you to really play with page level settings so you can make every single part of your site exactly how you want it. This is really hard to come by as a lot of themes offer more or less the same layout across site pages. And it's got a lot of premium extensions so you can customize your features and pages. It offers pre-made starter sites so you have a head start with your design and immediately create a look that works. Now that said, it's not an out-of-the-box great right-away theme. So if you want a hands-off plug-and-play solution, it may not be the choice for you. To enjoy more of the features and benefits of Generate Press, you will need to upgrade to their premium version, which is really a steal at only $49. Number 4, Sydney. Like Generate Press, Sydney is an ultra-popular theme that offers both a free version and a paid premium version with all kinds of bells and whistles. In the company's own words, the philosophy behind our themes is that they are well-designed, easy to use, and backed up by speedy support and frequent updates. We always love improving, and that is certainly the case with Sydney. Specifically, this theme offers a lot of next-level design features that can instantly elevate your site without technologically overwhelming you. This includes things like full-screen backgrounds. Now, unlike many free themes on WordPress, Sydney allows you to put in full-screen header images or slideshows. That may not seem like a big deal, but this beautiful design element will make your site look like $1,000,000 modern bucks and really draw people in. It also has a parallax background. Now, this feature is a modern web design technique where background elements scroll slower than the foreground content. This effect adds depth to the background images, makes them feel interactive, and gives users a more fun, engaged scrolling experience. In other words, it helps hook your audience from the first scroll. It has tons of fonts. Now, with Sydney, you can easily access Google's 600 plus fonts. Again, this may not seem like a big deal, but usually you have to add plugins, download things, and jump through a lot of hoops to get the fonts you want. It also has a block-based layout. Tinkering with boxes and layouts can be one of the most frustrating things about building a new site. Sydney's block-based layouts really take away a lot of the headache and help you create a beautiful site quickly and easily. Plus, it's fully compatible with WordPress page builder plugins, so you can create a ton of site pages and landing pages without technological restrictions. It has custom widgets. You want to link to social media accounts, show off your employees, or share testimonials. You can do all of that and more with just a click using Sydney's custom widgets. You get 12 of them included in the free version. Now, in short, it's perfect for anyone who wants a user-friendly, gorgeous, ultra-modern site without any of the usual headaches. Number 3, Hello. Hello is a theme from Elementor, one of the top page builders on WordPress. It is the self-proclaimed fastest WordPress theme ever created, and it offers a lot of compelling features. Firstly, it's completely compatible with Elementor theme capabilities, so it's going to work perfectly with the Elementor plugin. Now, this is huge because Elementor allows you to really customize and design flawlessly from one central place. Second, it is fast, and this matters. When it comes to page load times, the reality is that every millisecond counts. A slow loading site or page means lost conversions, plain and simple. With Hello, Elementor has really made this a top priority, so your pages will be ultra fast and high converting. It's also lightweight, which if you remember we mentioned in the beginning as a have to have, and fully compatible with a whole suite of WordPress plugins. So you pretty much get any functionality that you need without any coding issues or other concerns holding you back. In short, it's another fantastic theme for anyone who wants a high-performing, easily customizable website without a ton of complications. Number 2, Divi. Divi is the flagship WordPress theme from the Elegant Themes team. It offers a free version along with the extra theme and a few useful plugins for $89. Now, one of the standout features of this premium theme is the integrated Divi Builder. Now, this is a drag and drop tool that allows you to seamlessly create and design custom layouts. It's pretty game changing. Again, this is usually a big issue that you'll run into. Now, most themes have pre-made templates that you're kind of confined to. And if you do want to fully customize, it requires a lot of technical savvy. The Divi Builder gives you flexibility without requiring a PhD in code. You can build page layouts with multiple rows and columns using a range of text and image layouts, buttons, galleries, and block quotes. Advanced features like slideshows, pricing tables, testimonials, email opt-in forms, animated counters, and more. And if that's not for you, it also offers over 800 responsive, well-designed, pre-made website templates that you can, at the very least, use as a starting point. Next, Divi also offers a split testing tool. Now, this is really cool. You won't know what choices are really going to resonate with your audience until you test them. That includes design choices, fonts, layouts, everything. That's why A/B testing is such a must-have marketing best practice. Divi allows you to A/B test right within the theme, so you know that your site is resonating and delivering results right from the start. Now, in short, if you want to design your way and optimize for conversions, Divi is a great choice for you. Number 1, Astra. Now, this is another fast, easy, really customizable theme. Astra makes things really easy from the start, offering an absolutely massive library of ready-to-import starter websites that you can just load in and start building on right away. And the options here are really great and varied, so you'll find something that suits your business needs and tone pretty much no matter what. Astra is really easy to customize. You can set colors and fonts, play with header options, control the design of your blog post, and manage layout settings from one intuitive sidebar. It's high performing. This is another really lightweight theme. It doesn't require a lot of code, and it loads quickly, around 0.5 seconds a page. It's SEO friendly. Astra helps you along so you can make sure that your content is well received by Google. Now, if you really want to get things going and have a high-performing, already designed site up and running within minutes, Astra is your theme. Now, in summary, many entrepreneurs, freelancers, or small business owners get lost or confused when it comes to WordPress themes and building a site that will really convert. These 5 themes will get the job done and then some, so you can have a flawless, high-performing, user-friendly site up and running fast, and it'll serve your business for years to come. Now, if you want to start building your website with Astra in one click, check out this video now.